Fidelity Manufacturing custom designs high-quality stairs, platforms, and walkway solutions to meet all of your equipment access and serviceability needs. Our stair platform systems are built in compliance with OSHA, and IBC compliance can also be provided. Design features include all aluminum welded tube frame construction with molded fiberglass grating in high visibility yellow for the stairs and platform. This product design provides an extremely strong anti-slip surface with chemical resistance to fuel and petroleum products. Stair platform systems are available in side access, 3-sided, and full wraparound designs. Optionally, adjustable legs, cantilever style design, dark gray molded fiberglass grating, aluminum decking in lieu of molded fiberglass is also available. As firm believers in safety and reliability, we ensure all of our American-made products conform to the highest standards. Through versatility, knowledge, and competitive prices, Fidelity Manufacturing is ready to provide you with exceptional products, packaging, services, and forward-thinking solutions.